I'm dipping in my seven. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
All right, let's get it. It's another one.
Garage door.
Let's bring out here. There you go, camera. Don't adjust. It's getting better at that. I think it's because of settings. You can see that shot of red out here looking like $1 million. So you can see out here, man, I got the hood up on the cut down. Finna see what to do. Since the last time, you know, we changed the loosened up the back brake from when we did the brakes before. It was kind of off. As far as tuning wise, this car is pretty much kind of good to go, with the exception of maybe like the idle write-off. We recently just changed out the water pump to the car water pump so that the heater hose or the upper radiator hose wasn't running across the intake and heating up even more the joint right there. So I know I talked about doing something with this, but I haven't been out here fooling with this car though. Honestly, I'm gonna just keep it 100 with y'all. So the reason why I'm out here, other than hell I need to be, and it's been a minute and the streets is calling me, there's a leak going on now. I'm not 100% sure if it's because it's overfilled or what it is, but there's clearly a leak. So what I'm gonna do today is crank it up, see if it'll move. Of course, if it'll move, then we'll be good to go. When I went by the store earlier, I did grab me some transmission fluid, so we can top it off with that. I don't really like the big one, but yeah. And I got some brake parts cleaner. Tell you now, the Harley is the brake. The Harley is the parts getter slash grocery getter, all that good stuff. We gonna see. But yeah. It also, I noticed, is that the photo kind of did the same thing. I don't know what's going on. The photo was fine for a minute. So if anybody knows why transmission fluid will just all of a sudden start leaking, that seems to be an issue I done had on the C10, the photo, and the Cutlass. The only one I haven't had that issue with is the two-door. So yeah, let me get my special funnel and then we'll take it from there. Alright, so I got my special funnel with my special fitting on the end. And then as you can see, everything is dead. So we got the kill switch on there. Kill switch seems to be working pretty well. Brake style switch. I'm saying, cause it's alive, baby. It's alive. Oh shit. That motherfucker ain't said nothing. Hold on. Well, let me go grab some. Cause if that ain't working, that means it's not isolating the battery from the car like it's supposed to. So I know that was the whole intention. Let's try it again. Let's see if she wants to shift through the gears. As reverse. Neutral. Reverse, neutral, had to be able to get my wheel chocks. All right, so we took it up the block. We're gonna check the level and go from there. Looks like mine has to add just a little bit. Because by looking at the ground, it's clearly quite a bit on the ground, so. I don't see any no leaks to see. Well, I think we got transmission fluid where we needed to be, although you do got to charge that battery up, find out why it's still draining. Could just be the battery, we're gonna find out.